There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
So let's move this out of the way first. Yeah. Okay, so we have GPY, we still have on daily, we have kind of long term. On weekly, we have bullish, but on the short term, we are here in some kind of triangle, drama triangle, so we don't know where it will go. Meaning we'll be more careful, we'll take profit sooner, we will secure profit sooner, stuff like that. So overall, on 4 hour, we are on downtrend. If this high will be broken, we can see probably a nice push up, but I think here is the really big messy price, so this will be our problem. Today we are in buy because the daily is bullish and currently 4 hour is bearish. So meaning if this 4 hour continues down, we will not have any trades today. If this 4 hour continues to be bullish, we will have trades today. So that's the main stuff. Okay, AUDGPY. This, so we have more traction, I guess. Traction, I don't know if that's the right word. Okay. Okay, now, yeah, now I clean it. Good. Okay. AUDGPY. Yeah, now the range is not big enough for our trade, so we will not participate here. But yeah, this could be great if this one closed above this. This would be great, but now if it closed here, it will be seen as a rejection, and then we're in trouble. Okay. Overall daily we have nice downtrend or flex or correction for the uptrend. On 4 hour, still strong bearish trend. Maybe here with the beginning of bullish trend, but all will be clear when we come above here. So this is that. 1 hour, yeah, messy, really messy. So we are with the price is trapped in between this and this, and now we wait. Now we must wait. Okay. So now we know what we're looking for. From here to here, we cannot take any trades. So no trades here. We need to close above this, and in between here and here, our trades will take place for the buys and sell below this one. Okay. So this is the basics, what we are explained for now. GPY. We'll see. So sells below here, buys above here. Simple as that. Maybe we can get nice rejection here. So if this one closes bearish, and then another one closes bearish, and then we get nice push here, pull back, and we can trade this one. Probably this will be solution, but we will just have to wait. So yeah, Goldie, nice buy in London. I was looking for sell in those pushes. So what I found is touch here, and this would be my my buy. So I didn't take this one, like I said, I'm experimenting on gold currently because it's not behaving as it should. But yeah, in the future, I think we'll have more trades like this. So the three pips of risk and 105 pips of gain, but obviously this will be probably much better. So 1 to 12 trade. But this is coming in the future. So elevated trading is evolving. Every trader must evolve with market because stocks change all the time and you change all the time. And sometimes you're fine with 1 to 5 risk reward and sometimes you're not. So yeah, that's why we need to evolve. So next 15 minutes, we will see what will happen. Today we will not go over. So like these 4-hour closes and we are done. Maybe 15 more minutes if we don't get any trades, but we will lower our session because in last week it saved us a lot. So they gave us more entries, but they also gave us more bet entries. And they drain you. So the longer you look at the chart, the less you see, meaning you need to combat that. So I want quality trades that makes me money, not just quantity of trades. So yeah, this one would go. Shame that this one closed here because this is only 7 pips, so the range is too small. But if not, the entry, yeah, would be almost okay. The entry was not that great, but yeah. So our entry will be here. I would like to see that one to go a little bit lower, but that's okay. Bearish broader. So yeah, to all the people with gearbox trapped in far past, so like people have position up here, you know. And I think that I talked with some of the gearbox users. They have some position here, but right now, I mean, we'll see. This looks like a nice recovery. Maybe we can see here push above and some consolidation, and then we'll see what will happen. But yeah, that's why I need to look at the analyzer, not really only on the analyzers of others. Okay, FX limit as rubber search its budget. Yeah, but because the rubber is not so accessible. Yeah. Question. Hello, Velo. Welcome. Who is with us? So we have Belrim, we have Hannah Bahar, Nico, Sanya, and Velo. Welcome. If you have any questions, shoot. I hope you all know how to place a trade. So we use pending order here. So what we trade here is this. So this is the support and resistance. We are looking for breaks. So let's say this one is for this. So this is the break above. We want to see nice wick back. So when the next candle opens, when the next candle opens, we want to see drive back. We will then place pending order here on the entry. So when this close, the price of this candle close, we will put stop loss to 8 pips. So 8 pips stop loss, 8 pip, and then we put take profit to the next zone. And then we want to see nice big push. Sometimes it doesn't happen, it goes like this, up and down, but most of the times we get nice profit. Last week was really hard. We had a little bit smaller win rate, but also we had a lot of Fed news. For that who doesn't know what Fed news is, those are mostly the news about dollar. So not the dollar inflation. So the new stuff about dollar, the fun stuff, fun for us because that means that there is money in the market. But of course, for normal people, this is like the worst that can happen. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Till then, I will want to check some news to get a picture of what could happen. Plunged. Are the biggest losers? Yeah, of course. They have the most assets. Yeah, nice. He lost 140 billion. Ah, what a financial. Who gave him that financial? How to say it? Financial advisor. He didn't put everything on Bitcoin. But it's fallen between 8 billion. And so, yeah. This is only the beginning, guys. So, probably the biggest waste will be when we will see some hedge funds losing a big sum of money. And then we will know. Then we will know. So when the hedge funds lose a big sum of money, then we will know. Yeah, it's happening. So normally we would wait for this to close about here, but no, we don't really have any place to go. So from here to here is 7 pips. From here to here it's 14 pips, but we have some bad stuff. So I don't want that. I don't want to trade that. So let's go. Let's go. Minutes. Anyway, guys, how are you doing? What's new with you? Are you feeling fine? Feeling fine? Do you hear me well? Do you hear me well? Just again asking. Sometimes my mic does something stupid. I don't know if he's doing that on purpose or not. You can look some results from the Panther. So this is from the 15th of March, 28% on 500 euros. This is from Dominic. This is live. I want to go to our AB. So yeah, we have nice trades. 60% win rate, nice. Okay, so open. We have open right now 0.5%. We will see what the GPI will do. So we had some problems in the morning because Biden said that he will not do something with yen, and then something happened, something, you know. So this is one. Let's go to another one. So this is from my friend Ben, Panther 3.0. So we get 3.0. So Panther 3.0 is coming at the end of the next week. So yeah, this will be fun. This will be fun. So this is Panther 2.0 with 1% risk. See, we had nice movement. Almost no drawdown, 2% peak drawdown. That's good. So this is Panther from the beginning. So here we had like beginning of the all. When we had fixed lot size, here we started with AP testing. As you see, we were a little unlucky. And here we launched it. Yes, right here we launched it. We were very unlucky. Then we launched here around here we launched 2.0. And now we are here where we are launching 3.0, which has, yes, this is the 3.0. So 3.0 made 20% altogether, lower drawdown. So the drawdown was maximum 0.7%. And monthly did 6% and 5%. So it's better monthly average for everyone. We will be using that for Forex funds, funded accounts. And this is bands. No, it's 8, 9. Yeah, this may be bands. This may be bands, yeah. 21, 22%. Nice. Very good. So yeah. So this is what I have currently open. This is the GBP cat. Everyone had stop loss, take profit. So on the next update, there will be more pairs, more trades, less drawdown, lower stop losses, bigger take profits. Everything that we wanted, at least for me. Yeah. Say starting at, wow, this will be huge. This will be huge. Yeah. Monkeypox. This will be fun. So we have closes, no one above. We have here nice pushes. We will probably see, maybe even have 2 buys. So what's above here? So we have next target. Okay, here we have some shitty price action, but we will be wary of that. We will take care. But yeah, this could look nice. This potentially could make us 20 pips. So we just need to get inside here. Okay, also this one. Let's look what we can see. Yeah, this one, this is nice. Then we have this one and this one. Okay, yeah, this could be nice. If you get bullish momentum, you can have nice trades. So let's say at least 1 or 2 trades on both and we win. So that's the goal for today, to get 2 wins, and let's go home and celebrate. Can someone tell me from the chat what lot size are you using? Will you be using? What we recommend? what I recommend. If someone is new, so they don't know yet.
Zaporedoma, to je to, jaz sem rekla, cela 5% postavljena na vsaki trade single entry, kar pomeni, da sem izgubil 2%. Tako da, to ni nič, pač morate se zavedati, vsi tisti, ko mi pišete, pa jo, pa kaj se dogaja, nastavljenega, bla, 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 imate prav nastavljenega, ampak to ni Gearbox, to ni Flash, ko bo čakal za 100 let, da bo prišel ven iz tistega enega trada, pa so mali. Pač MMT je na nek način scouting software, hitro gre v trade, hitro zapre profit, to je to, koliko pač ni trofo v pravo smer, zapre z izgubo in tako se trguje na pravi način. Isto dela Panther, edino kaj pač Panther, bolj swing trader in tako trgujejo profesionalni traderi. V bitki
Okay, so that was just Dominic sending message to his team about MTT getting some losing trades, which are completely fine. Opposite of fine, the usual needs to happen, so we have nicer knowing what the strategy can do. Okay, do you want to see any analysis for you? Maybe you're waiting for some trades, stuff like that. If so, you can send a request, we can do some analysis. If not, no problem. So I cannot play music for you anymore. So I'm really sorry. Because then our recordings are not usable. So yeah. Sanyo Ranic wants to see cat GPY. Okay, let's go. It's very similar to these two pairs, so okay, why not? Of course. Of course. So let's start as we should. Let's start with the daily. Let's start with daily. So daily is not looking very clear. It seems like it's strapped a little. So we have nice bullish push, and now we had lower lows, and meaning if this low gets broken, we can watch some fall. And this could be a new potential uptrend. So meaning if the daily goes against above here, we can see nice push up. Above here, nice push down. So these are the options. Okay, for here we have nice triangle, meaning that we are waiting for some volume that will kick this up. So this is the range. So if I hope you're not trading this, there is always, as a trader, you want to find a way to get a weight from this. I mean, yeah, if you're trapped here, that's fine because you didn't know. But this is your range now. So inside here, this is pain in the ass. So no matter what you do, it will be pain. So even when you see here, you have like resistance of resistance, resistance, resistance. And this is not good. So it will be pain. Even here, you don't have nice, yeah, maybe no, 5 pips and then 5 pips. Yeah. So this is not a really good range for me. Maybe not even for you. So let's say that the support or resistance is a barrier that price have a pain in the ass to cross. So it needs to have a lot of money to push above. So you have one here, you have one here, you have one here. Then again, you have one here. I have here. So maybe from this to this would be potentially good trade for me. But overall, yeah. So another one could be here. So basically, you're waiting for breakthrough. So above here, even this one, I think this one is not good. Yeah, maybe. But the thing with this one is if it closes here, then you're already lost 3 pips, so you don't have enough. So that's it. So you want to get broken above here, and then next target above here, because from here to here you don't have any trades. The range is too small, maybe, but you have this one in between. But I think this one would be better. So if you get here and break below here, and then finally break below here, you have nice sell. So yeah, that's what the market is waiting for. I don't know when you will see it or when it will happen, but this is just what I'm expecting. So yeah. Yeah. Sanya, does this help? Are you in any positions? Okay. Okay. No response from Sanya. Okay, no problem, no problem. So yeah, I hope this is just analysis. So it doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean I'm right. It doesn't mean you're wrong. It's just Forex. You have position from Gearbox. Okay, good. Yeah, now I understand. Yeah, a lot of people are asking those. So no problem. So here, my priority is to get nice small trades on which you can bank. And we're closing here. We're getting close for our trade here. Just hope this one closes above this one. Now we can bank. We can bank there. So we have a lot of spikes, so we need to be careful. But yeah, 20%, 20 pips. That's what I'm looking for right now. Looking also spread, yeah, but I'm not looking for each trade right now. I'm looking forward to it. So if something happens, I'm like, okay, yeah, I'm aware of it, but not really like, yeah, this is the most important, or you know. But the bigger the spread, the bigger the volume. So sometimes, if you trade at 1 hour before market close, then it's not because of the volume; it's because demand is so low. But yeah, so I'll just put some point of interest here. So I know maybe something can happen here. So what I did here is like, I want to see close here. So close above here, and then nice wick back to this area. And when the wick comes here, we can put pending order here and take profit here, and let's see what happens. I want to win today, so I will not be eager. I will wait. I'm doing a funded challenge, and I did some mistakes last week, so I am 2% in minus. But I think this week I'll make those 10%. So it will all be great. So I like this strategy because it lets me be more relaxed. I don't have to be on edge all the time. So what will happen? What will follow? You know, what this. But I'm just looking for the close. And when something happens, I react. So this one need to have at least 11 pips. So if it closes above this one, would be great for the 5 minutes, because then we will not have big push down. But for us, this means no go, because now the price doesn't have any more movement to go. So no more place to go. And this is like shitty for us. Okay. So yeah, that's why I don't like this one, because of this. But when we go above this, we shouldn't have so much problems. 30 more seconds before close. So yeah. So we have two problems here. If this one doesn't have enough space for us to go. And another one is need nice wick back here. So in this week right now, we'd be like 14 pips, meaning our stop loss should be also 14 pips. Or maybe, yeah, maybe this one can be it. We shall see. Maybe we can get. Okay, so get ready with pending orders. Get ready with pending orders. I will tell you when to put it, when I will put it. And so when I see 1 minute closes, yeah, or touches this one, I will say, oh, you can put it, but until then, we'll just wait. But yeah, this one will probably fly. This one will probably fly. But it's not, it's only 10 pips. So with slippage and everything, I don't think that would be enough. That's why I want to have a nice wick back. Yeah. Okay. So you see, we have moves down. So now we're inside. You can put order block here. So orders, pending orders buy here. And no, you don't need to. Oh, wait a second. So we have like 80 pips. Yeah, okay, this will do. This is still okay. And we're looking for 10 pips. Okay. So we can buy pending order here with 8 pips stop loss and take profit of 10 pips. But yeah, this. So because it closed above, if this one closes above here below, and it probably will, yeah, you can now delete pending order. So the order is not valid anymore. This is not valid for us. So I deleted order. So yeah. That's why I need to wait. That's why everything needs to be perfect, because if you press buy here, then you would be fucked. But we are not, because we are patient. That's why I didn't like it, because we have big move inside. You don't have a lot of space, and probably if I didn't do that back test, we will be entering here and went straight to stop loss. But not anymore. We are bringing that win ratio up to 90%. So yeah, you see, even this one, it didn't hold. So that's it. Maybe this one could, but for us, that means, so this one closed below. Yeah, this is too late now. For us, that means that we should use this as a stop loss. This is like 17 pips, and this is too much. So we're waiting for the next candle, next options. That's why I don't like this. You know, when you have a lot of spikes, you need to be very careful. So we can call this spike city, because it's all tall buildings. You know. Meaning you have here a lot of resistance, and even if we closed above here, that would be great, but we don't have enough space for price to push. So yeah, that's what we're waiting for right now. So that's okay, no loss, no harm for any USers, Americans who just woke up. You didn't miss anything. That's okay. Good. Yeah, now we touch this one and we're going up. This is like very big move down, so that's why I don't like it. Stop loss is like shit. It's too big. This will probably shoot up. Don't get me wrong. This will probably shoot up, but for us, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. Okay, so now gold. I'm thinking about buying gold today. The problem here is that the stop losses are 15 pips on average. So you cannot use the same lot size. So if you use 0.05 on 1K, here you must use 0.03 on 1K. Okay. Because it's more volatile. So it moves faster, the moves are bigger, the spreads are bigger, slippage are bigger. So for fun fact, maybe for Panther we had a nice gold, like a real nice gold EA. It's like it's perfect. I mean, in my eyes, in this year alone, you would have like, I think with 0.5% risk, you would have like 15% loss only with gold. But the gold has big problem. The problem with gold is that when you place an order, you get to slip. So the order slips. Yeah. And what happened is we got like buy order here. And because the broker slipped, we had like it opened here. Okay. So instantly we were on 40 pips in stop loss, even though it should take profit later, but you know, it hit the take profit later. But you know, it's still pain in the ass. So that's why we are making now the EA that's it's slippage proof. It's not, but as much as it can be. Yeah. So yeah. So anyone, any questions or some questions later in day, or how do you want to call it? Private questions, you can ask them in chat. So the elevated trading chat. Oh yeah, something like that. If you're too afraid to ask here. And the next session, or if I see question now, I can explain as you didn't ask. So no harm, no fun. Good. Okay. This one will close probably like this. When we got up above, it will probably close, and we'll have some closure here. I hope we'll have entry here. But until then, we are just waiting on sidelines, protecting our capital, protecting our money. Yeah, this gold is also interesting. Like I said, I will only paper trade this. So if someone is trading gold trades, small lots, Please, small lots. Okay. So on gold, I'm thinking here could be nice buy. So I don't want to be too hasty, but let's wait. Because the candles are nice and small. Mini car stop loss could be small, and let's go. So yeah. 50 seconds, 40 seconds. Okay. So I'm thinking this closes below, probably sell could happen. And this one, 30 minutes close bullish, yeah. Yeah. That's why I need the patience. That's why I need the patience. There we go. Something's gonna happen here. Good. So no news. No news. Sanya, cat GPY. Maybe we can take this trade. I mean, this is a little bit choppy, but maybe we can take this trade. Let's see. We will see. Patience. Probably we'll wait till when the New York opens, then later we will have nice entry. Hello, hello. Luca, hello Luca, how are you doing? Odlično, hvala. Sem se pozdravil malo. Tako. Kaj je tredkov? Kaj je tredov? ACP. Lukac, si kaj tradal? Jutri malo čez 6 sem imel ga, ja. Naredil sem tule, tega sem žgal. Pa tega sem imel baj. Pa tega sem imel baj. To je bil za London. Zdaj pa čakam Goldija, če bi breakal sem, pa mi dal lep vik nazaj, pa bi lahko šli tule mi pofilat, mogoče celo gor. Manj, mislim, da je nekje 2,5. Ok, ja. Ne, več, sorry, on je bil skoraj 6, no. On je bil 3%, tako da je 5%. Tako da tu čakam Goldija, pa tukaj nam je dala ena vesta, dobro, zapomnim. Sanja, lep primer, mislim, da tale sel je tudi potencialen. Smo videli. Welcome everybody who is joining us a little later. That's okay. So Luca is one of my students, been training a lot. So yeah, that's why we talk. Yeah, no news. Jaz tudi ne bom dal, pol 4 maksimum, ker je ponedeljek, je tako brez veze. Hey guys, who of you is coming to Beograd? Prejšnji teden bil pester, ja, Luka, res je, prejšnji teden nisem šel backtest delat, meni je win ratio padel, tukaj težki teden je bil iz povprečnega 82% na fucking 60%, oziroma mislim, da 58%. Ampak za nekaj stvari pošlihto, zdaj moraš backtest danes jutri narediti za 3 mesece. Pa če to laufa, mislim, da ne bo, da se bo tudi win ratio zboljšal in risk reward bo boljši. Tako da ja. Okay. Nice, dobro. Ne, ista strategija je, samo entry so bolj dovršeni. Se pravi, ne, greš na minutnika, pogledaš, pa če je dement od zadaj, ne, ker imaš pa večje šanse, da bi ga puš na čez. Ja. So yeah. So yeah, here we are, here we are. Waiting. Okay, so apparently we're looking for waiting for New York Open. And yeah, let's see. So Luca asked if I'm going to new strategy. The answer is no, but I'm upgrading this one as much as I can. Because at the end the market changes and I change, and that's why I need to get down the basics, why this strategy works, and when the consequences losses will come, I will change it back. Yeah. So yeah, market changes. Little, but yeah. So yeah, I'm listening to the music, but I cannot share it with you guys. Don't know why, but when I try to put this on YouTube, it doesn't work. So no music for you guys. No music for you. Sanya, so Sanya asks, so roughly speaking, you wait until support or resistance are broken and then you enter the trade. That's right. I also have wait for confirmations like 4-hour and daily. This needs to go with me in my way. So, and when I have that, then when all this is present, then I'm waiting for this. So this is the basic movement. Yeah. So if I translate this to the candle, then I'm waiting for close above. I'm waiting for a wick back, which is this. And then when the candle flips, we go win it with candles. So I hope this makes sense. But yeah, this is all 2 candles. But yeah, this is what we're waiting for. So yeah, pretty simple, but it's a lot of waiting, and but it's profitable. On average, let's say you trade like per week, I almost have 20 to 30 trades. And average win ratio is 80%, and risk reward on average is 1 to 2. So risking 1 to 2, because sometimes you close 10 pips, sometimes you go 15, and sometimes you close 20 pips. So that's on average 1 to 2. So Sanya, does this help? Does it explain it? Or it's nonsense? What do you say? It's nonsense? Maybe it's nonsense. Good. What? One minute. Okay. This looks nice, but I don't know. I don't trust it because it's back in the range now, you see. So yeah. I want to close above here or above here. So yeah. Makes sense. Thank you, Sana. Thank you for feedback. If you have any more questions off the stream, you can ask them, and any one of you, of course, you can ask them in the chat. When I have time, I will answer. Yeah, that's how we learn, you know. So one guy came to me and asked, "Can you teach me that? Can you explain it once again?" And I'm like, "There's so much stuff. Like, right? Look out. It's so easy. 5 minutes to learn, lifetime to master. Because then it's like, is this week too good? Is this week okay? This week too bad?" So stuffs like that, and you need to understand that. But you mostly get it with practice. But sometimes practice isn't enough. So, yeah. Yeah. Let's see if this one would work. Nope. So by my last back test, it would have the wick must come here. So I'm only paper trading this, yeah. Only paper trading. Only paper trading. Yeah, yeah. Paper only. Paper trading. So that you know, this is not a real trade. But if the series of winning gets better because of this, that will be so. Then the pending would be here, and I'm waiting for this to get filled. So I want price to come back here, and I can do pending here, and then I can take 10 pips or something like that. So you know. Sorry. So yeah, that's why paper trading only, no real trade, no trade, just paper. Paper because you're just doing it on the paper, not with your account. See, for me, this is not enough. So I know it's 3 pips, but I do it better if you get like 4 or 10 pips, you know, because then the stop loss is like this, and then we need like, so we get 1-to-1 back. We need like 30 pips. Yeah. Yeah. Mondays. Mondays in New York. Don't forget to be here on Tuesday. Tuesday is the most profitable day for me, always. Yeah. Ten minutes until NY opens. So yeah, I'm just testing this one. I mean, I could potentially trade it, but I don't want you guys to follow. So that's why I'm not doing it. Protecting my money, protecting your money. That's what I must do. Yep. Maybe we can get close above here. So this closes above here. Then maybe, yeah, 10 pips, not too small. Too small. So see, that's why we didn't buy, because we want to see this. To see this. I want to see touch this one. So yeah. Yeah, we'll see. I opened some crazy trade now on gold, so let's see. We'll show you a screenshot later. It's like 100 lot. Let's see if I lost 20K or not. But yeah, don't enter. Please just don't enter here. Don't follow me, because stop loss is like 10 pips. So if you enter here, but if you enter right now, if you enter here, it's like 16 pips. So yeah. Yeah, still not enough. Just wait. Maybe we get a trade maybe I think that New York Open will give us a trade, but honestly, I no. We can even go without trade. It did happen that I seated here for 5 hours without trade. Not months, not twice. That's like, let's say 3 or 4 times per month. It happens. No trades or stupid trades. You can choose. And stupid trades, they make money too, but only sometimes. Okay. So when those highs will be broken, yeah, when probably this highs, when this will be broken, I think this will fly. This is my, so let's say I'm paper trading this, okay? When highs are broken, this will fly. So I will start trading probably gold for all of you who are for this call, for this elevated trading room, but only after the promo is end. So when I'm trading, so when only punter traders will be here, and some of you will say, but why? Well, simply because then I will have people who have product who will not be willing to risk 10% of their account. But for now, I don't have that kind of people. I don't have that luxury. So that's why I'm like, yeah, I'm showing you. Maybe we could trade this. So like, this would be the trade. Yeah, this would be the trade. And stop loss here. This would be the trade that we would took because it is on my rules. But we won't. So this is like the paper. And this one can still hit stop loss, but because the entry will be probably better, but still. But yeah, when the Panther only, when this group will be Panther only, then I see no problem. No problem in trading gold, any more pairs. I'm ready for that. But for now, when people are not like following my word enough or, you know, stuff like that, I'm just doing that. I'm just doing GP in LDGPY. And it's for your protection, not from all of you, but some of you, because some people, I mean, I was there, you know, that's why I'm telling you this, because I was there. So when you're like, yeah, I'm following this trader is good, or he like, yeah, he hit 2 stop losses and now I will use 5% risk because, you know, I need to get it back. And then I don't want that to happen to anyone here. So that's what we are not doing this. This is shitty. So we have, so this is like big rejection. So that's why I think that if the New York pushes us out here, great. If it doesn't pushes us out here, then I'm sorry, but I don't think we will see trade today. Mhm. Yeah, yep. Maybe we can get even push down here, back to this, before we move up, you know, like weak down here and then fly. See, and gold trading, and now the gold will probably fly. I think this gold will fly, but we had this week, so you see, we had this week. What? We had this week in the box. See this? So now I think the gold is ready to fly. Now I think that, and you will get, we will try to get those entries. So in the future, when we have Panther only here, we'll try to get these entries. Okay, but not today, not this time. So yeah. So because this trade would be like entry, stop loss. Okay, just so you will see why it will be worth to stick with me. Maybe this one will take stop loss, doesn't matter. But if not, this is the risk reward, 1 to 10. We will see. We will see. Let's see. Let's see. But I believe I saw this scenario a few thousand times. Yeah. Damn, man. I cannot wait to start trading gold. Right, like really cannot wait to start trading gold. For all the people. But there will be rules, yeah. And so here you see. Now we would place break even. That's it. 4 pips stop loss. 36. Why we didn't take this trade? Again, because I don't know who is on this call. Maybe someone did and burned his account. And I don't know if they are fast enough, if they can calculate enough. So 1 to 6 already. So let's see. We get 1 to 10. I believe so. Luka, kā pravaš tak trade, kā? Yeah. So I just closed. I close it here. You will see. I'll send you a screenshot now. Show you a screenshot now. But yeah, this is how I do it. This is what I want to show you. That's why I want to show you how I trade and go step by step with you. But you know, the first, I cannot show you the best of the best. So this is the trade. This is today. You see, today I entered 1862. This was like experiment trade. So 1862 entry was here. Stop loss was below here. So stop loss entry was 1262. Yeah. So stop loss was like 10 pips, and I closed like, I think that's 10 pips minus spread. But yeah, I think this one will fly. If I would enter here, like I was supposed to, I would probably wait, just put stop loss to break even. But yeah, now we know. Now we know what we will be doing. Yeah, one of these per day, huh? One of these per day. And I can tell you it's the same fun as trading 0.01. The same fun, the same fun, the same fun. I mean, for sometimes, I mean, I like the trades of 0.01 better. But yeah. Did someone took this trade? I hope you did. If you took it here. And if you are someone is in this trade, placed stop loss 2 or 3 pips in profit, and just take the profit if you're here, because probably someone on this call didn't listen and didn't took this trade, so that's okay. But I prefer not to. So from time to time, I'll show you some of my skills that you can see how I can trade this trade. But yeah, I love that. I trade gold, but I don't know who is now on these calls. And when those calls were happening for the Panther, so the Panther only, it will be a little different, because then we will talk, I will get to know you, and I will show you how to do it. How to get 10% in gold in, what, 3 minutes? I believe so, yeah, 3 minutes, yeah, almost. Okay, 7%. Who would want to take this trade, huh? Guys, who would want to take these trades? And when did I told you, huh? When it was up here, I told you it needs to come back here. I'm not the god, far from it. Though I would love to be one day, maybe, when I'm grown up enough. When I'm big and strong, you know. But yeah. So guys, do you like these trades? Would you like to take this trade with me? Type in the chat, come on. Let me know. If not, it's not a problem. If you don't want me to take these trades, no problem. What? So yeah. Defend Taiwan. So no one wants to take those trades, because you would get, okay, so I know why. I will not talk about entry right now, but when this trade, when this 1 minute would close inside, I would say buy now, and we will play stop loss, right, 4 pips or this, and then we would go. So this is like 30 pips, yeah, 30 pips, and it will hit take profit. I'm 100% sure it will hit 1 to 10. I don't have Konto. Velo, try again. Try use Google Translate if you cannot find the words. Yes, Anya. Good. Okay, good. I need some feedback with you. You know, I have only automat. You took the gold, Sanya. Great, great. Where did you enter? What is your price? Entry price. I hope you're banking that. I mean, it can still do this, but probably not, but it can still do this, yeah. So good job, Sanya. Good job. 1860. Sanya, where you're from? Ah, you were way before. You were in before. Ah, Croatian. Opa, Matzo. Super, super. Bravo. Bravo, 4-8. 4-8. Ovdje si. Malo si brza, a? Prebrza. Da, 60. 4-8. Malo je brzo. Malo je brzo. Zašto je brzo? Zašto sad si bila ovdje nutra ujeta, ali tvoj stop loss bio ovdje. Jel? Znači imaš entry ovdje, što entry nije slab, ali sad si ovdje imaš 16%, 16 pipa, koja je to, 16, 17 pipa imaš za stop loss i loviš 40 pipa. Znači, to je ovaj tvoj trade, jel? To je ovaj, znači 4-8. Evo sad. Možemo reći da to je ovaj trade, to je tvoj trade. Ti imaš 1 proti 3, jel? To je dobro, to nije slabo, to je dobro. A imam ja proti 10. Ako idem sada van, ja imam 1 to 5. I bio sam u tradu, znači koliko dugo? Bio sam u tradu, pa maksimum 15 minuta, ili nije već više, još 15 minuta, znaš. I to je taj difference. Zašto ne smiješ ovaki, znam, ovo je možda bio signal red alert, green alert, but treba biti očekivan, treba imati patience ovdje i sačekati. Ali sva čast, evo sva čast, upam da si ovdje bankirala nešto, da si nešto uzezala van. Ako nisi, dobro je, samo da imaš break even i to je to. So yeah, Sanja took this trade. Nice banked. She entered here on these lows. And I just told her that her risk reward could be better because she didn't know when this could drop. So if this could drop and she didn't have the stop loss, she could lose like few euros. So she used 0.01, meaning that from this trade she profit 48. Okay, so if she closed at the top, she made like 4 euros. Yeah. 4 euro. 10 pips is 1 euro. Yeah. So 4 euros for her. Which is great. Congratulations. Okay, 5 more minutes before closing. If you have any questions and you want to talk, you want to answer, you want to do whatever, you know. I'm not the big solo guy, so I'm not a stand-up comedian. But yeah, that's why I'm asking you to talk with me, so I know what to talk about. Good? Okay, be right back. Bye. Evo mene nazad. Here I am. I'm back. So we'll just take a screenshot. So now, guys. Now and before. Any questions, comments, observations? How many live accounts? Velo, I have around 5 funded accounts. I have 2 accounts for 10K. 1 account where I have 20 euros. And 1 account with 2.2 and a half. 2.5? No, not anymore. 1 account with 1.7 million and another one with 1 million. And that's it. Only this. Only this. Yeah. Manuel Velo asking if I trade. No, I have my own robot, so my own hedge fund. Also, I have like 70% of the Panther robots are in my hedge fund. And yeah, that's it. mostly manual trading. So I'm making from manual trading around, I think between 50 to 100K a week, something like that. Good. How to catch you? How to catch you? How to catch me? Sorry, Velo, I don't understand what you mean. How to catch you? Good. How to catch you? Huh? If you want to catch me with trading skill, I would say just come back here, ask questions you want answer to, and that's probably it. I mean, that's probably it. But money-wise, don't try to catch me, man, because even though, I mean, I can give you my strategy, I can give my entries, everything. Like, I can give you everything, but the truth is, it doesn't help you. It doesn't help you because Forex is, Luca, what? Luca, now you know that. What is Forex 99%? Let's see if my student Luca can tell you what is Forex. 1% is what, and 99% is what? 1% is skill. What is the rest of the 99% to make it in Forex? What do you say? What do you think, guys? Discipline? Yeah, okay. Work? No, it's not work. I can guarantee you it's not work. In Forex, you don't work. If you work, patience, yeah. There you go, Luca knows. 99 of the Forex market trading is psychological. Psychological, guys. How you can understand your mood. So you lost a trade, or you're waiting for a day, or you know, you're willing to execute the winning trade. You're willing to move stop loss to break even, like this one. Someone, so let's say, Sanya, were you willing to close it at the top, or did you need to wait and you close it here and now it bounced back? The skill is 1%, and the skill is easy to get. It's free. I mean, it's not, right now I'm giving it for free, you know. But then on the other end, you need to have guts to pull the trigger. Okay, you need to have guts to pull the trigger. If you don't have guts, no glory. Okay. 11 pips. So that's why everything comes down to psychology. So, meaning, if you're not willing to pull the trigger, to stick to your rules, you know, stuff like that's why I don't trade today, because I I made myself a rule for New York trading and for this stream. I can show you what I would do like this, but I will not trade it here. I will not send you this chart because in my rules, it says don't trade gold, and I will not trade gold. No, I refuse. No, but seriously. But seriously. Sticking to your rules, sticking to rules, sticking to the rules you're following, sticking to money management, sticking to money management is the third part, sticking to always evolving, always looking back. I did wrong this, I did wrong this. Like the last stream, we took like 5 trades wrong that we could took better. Okay. And that's why I need to go on the weekend. I need to backtest every trade I took and every trade I didn't took. And think about it, how I can do this, how I can use that. It's a long journey, but it's worth it. The more games the more games and knowledge will will follow. But the main stuff is you need to start working for yourself. You need to take a book and read it. Small steps. How you eat an elephant, 1 bite at a time. Then the next stuff, number 1 rule of the basic. Okay, you have 4 basics. What is number 1? Number one rule is master. No, who do you listen to? Number 1 rule is who do you listen to? So are you listening to me? That I have my results, I have my money, I have my system that works. Or are you listening to someone? Are you listening to someone who didn't make a cent? Or someone who lost only, didn't gain any? Of course, the losing part is still an experience, but still. Okay, the second is, what's your willingness to learn? What's your willingness to change? What's your willingness to change? What's your willingness to learn? So are you willing to sit here with me for hours and ask me questions how you can trade that? If you're not teachable. You're simply not teachable. And maybe you have that. So I'm willing to sit here and ask him about everything I get up to and write that down. Okay. Now willingness to learn, willingness to change. Are you willing to apply this? Okay. And the third stuff is just to explain it, training balance skills. So understanding that it's not about like only work. It's not about only, I need to trade. No, you need to get your thinking straight. You need to be positive. You need to be motivated. You need to be well rested. You need to think about the trades. When you shut down the charts, do you go over your mind what you did wrong? You don't need to be at the charts 24/7. The opposite, the more you're at the chart, the less money you make. This is Forex. Money is not equal time. Money does not equal time. And the next stuff is the fourth basic is unconscious, incompetence, conscious, incompetence, conscious competence, and unconscious competence. So meaning first, you don't know that you don't know. Second, now I show you that you don't know. The third, you know how to do it, but you need to do it step by step, like in your head. And then you start doing it automatically. Unconscious competence. Yeah. Velo is saying, I'm looking, translating, writing. It's not easy, and I want to make my strategy. Velo, you're on the right path. Keep showing up. Keep showing up. There you go. If you put to break even, break even. If you take partial profit, take partial profit. And now all hell go loose, yeah. Kevin said it will go by, yeah? It will hit this, yeah, I did. This is Forex. That's why we don't trade. Good. You need to know what you're doing. So before we start trading gold here on this elevated trading room, we will do some more basics, do some more back testing together. You know. So yeah. Velo, also for you, because I know you have trouble with the language. If you can, just after the chat, just write, after the call, just write something in the chat. Okay. So like in the Telegram chat, ask what you got, what you didn't got. I will get you some info. I cannot give you everything because the point of this is that I trade for free and I'm not giving everything away. But later on, when it's Panther only, I will give you full info, like full info. Still, if you want to master this, sorry, we need to go one-on-one. But it doesn't mean you cannot get close by yourself. It will take longer, but you can do it. 4 seconds closing, no entries for me. This one is to close, so no go. Oh, maybe not. Wait. What do we have here? Oh, yeah. Oh. So the problem right now for me is this. The problem for me now, this. Yeah, this one can weak back to 13. Yeah, but it looks fine. I don't like the range, so we'll see when it comes back here what will happen. But probably it will go past this. So yeah, not doing anything. This will probably do this. We will see. Potentially did nice big back, but I don't think it's good enough. Look good. Falling. Yeah. Still don't like this because if you take buy here, we are here in the range. Maybe we can take these like 11 pips, take profit. Maybe that's true. But we have a big chance that we will push down into the stop loss. So that's why I don't like it. Poof. Falling, boy. So, yeah. So last week we would be here entering, but not today because we are evolving. We are doing better. We're doing better. Yeah. So I think maybe we must see this So when 1 minute comes here, we can place pending order for the buy. So we're looking for the buy right now. But like I said, so here are many problems, right? The problems is we have these weeks. So we have, this is the zone which we don't see. And meaning we could be here a lot of weeks here on 5 minutes also, a lot of weeks, a lot of rejection. Just close above, but still. Let's wait. Let's wait. I want to have nice 1 minute close here before I'm placing any orders. If this doesn't happen, then sorry, not sorry. But I'm not losing mine nor your money, so it's not happening. Nice. This cell would be nice. This one. Crazy. Yeah, okay, now we got something. But I don't think this one did enough. So I will say no. So like if this one would close here and then this one turned up, then it's okay. But it didn't, so sadly no. Because this can happen, you know, this. So let's say the price, so the price is now here, it can go up, activate our order and then go back down. So that's why I wanted to like take the money that's here and bring it up, not to take the money here and bring it down. Okay. So that's what I want. And if it's not giving me this, then sorry. Yeah. So I think, I mean, for me and for you, it's important that you come here every time I have it. Because every time I will tell you something new, which you could upgrade, I will repeat something that it's basic. And let's say in 3 or 4 months, you will be pretty close to trade this yourself. So meaning simply you have to keep showing up, right? Keep showing up every day. So the only day we don't have trades for now, it's that is 100%. So in Friday we won't have because I go down to Belgrade for the event. So everyone coming to event, find me. Sanya, are you coming to event? If you're still with us, Sanya is still here. Sanya, are you coming to event? Anyone coming to event, come to me. Let's talk. Let's get something to eat after or before the event. And not coming to Belgrade, no problem. Not problem. Where are you from, Sanya? Which part of the Croatia? Rijeka. Ah. Don't do me like that, Sanya. Don't do me like that. like 20 kilometers from the sea. Huh? Less. Thank you. Thank you. So I wanted to go to sea. Last year I was in Porridge. I was looking for a house in the Porridge, but it was too expensive, like 750K for like 2, I think 3-bedroom. I mean, the place was nice. Like maybe I can still find it. But yeah, I'm looking for some summer house. Right now I'm moving to Ljubljana in the coming months. Now we're here. Okay, just save me a second. Okay. Okay, 6 pips. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, I am placing by order now. So I'm placing by order now. Okay, on entry. And I'm deleting it. Delete. No trade, no trade, no trade, no trade. Because this one just pushed straight down. And I knew this would happen because here I have like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So meaning that someone is like sell, 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 and that's why market came and take this. Maybe if this one closes, we could get nice entry. But yeah, but Reka is really beautiful. I like it. It's close to my to Slovenia, to my country, but also really beautiful. So anyone looking for a vacation, Reka, it's the way to go. Yeah, this is it. This is it for me. No more trade-off. Yeah. So yeah, I was looking for a house in Porridge. I'll try to look it. I think I have some accounts here. Porridge. Did they sold it? No. It's still here. Oh, now they lowered it back to 700. Okay, so when I was there, they said it's like 800. It will soon be 800. But yeah, this is the house I went to look. What do you say, guys? Nice house? Do you like it? Like the pool? No comments. No one likes that. No one likes the house. Nobody wants to comment. Nice, huh? I like it. I like that. But when I came, I found out this is really small. So, I mean, it would be great for vacation, something like that. But I mean, the pool is fine. The inside is beautiful. The staircase, I mean, the staircase is like crazy. I don't like this, so like gravel, but this is like the Olka tree. So how to say Olka tree? I don't know. And as I found out that those are very expensive if you try to sell them. So yeah. So this is like the first site. It's like 700K for Porridge, you know. And I mean, the pictures are beautiful. But this is like the photos are taken with a very big how to say it, angle. And this is like actually 5 meters, but it looks like it's 10, you know. So yeah, this one is like really good. This is like really good. Inside, I loved it inside. The staircase are amazing. So like I have my friend, we were in the past were like real estate agent, and now for my my firm is buying real estate, so for renting. She said like that this staircase is like the most beautiful. Also, my girl loved the it's like the kitchen, the small. It's very open space, as you can see. So yeah, here's like the kids' room. The main bedroom is on the floor. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, it looked fine. But when we came there, we saw that it's very small. But so that's why we didn't want it, because we want to move to the sea. But then we didn't find it so attractive anymore, you know. Cat GPY nothing. GPY nothing. Okay. Yeah. Velo said, build your house what you like and where you like. Yeah, I agree, Velo, but the problem is that you need to build a house, and so that takes time, right? So it takes like, let's say, 1 to 2 years to get the place where you want it, you know. If you don't want to pay 1 million only for the place, then it takes for the papers, to find out what you actually would like to build. So all the planning, it takes another probably year, and the architect. And then later, it takes you a lot of time to start it, to build it, and so on. So that's why I want to buy my first, let's say, flat or something like that, and then build. So when they have like kids and everything, then later I want to build. And because I found out my parents like build a really big house, and if me and my sister move out, they have a big problem. I believe so, because the house is too big for them. So don't want that to happen to me. Learning from mistake of my parents. God bless. Yeah. So we would be trapped here. We would hit stop loss if we enter it. Even if we put pending order here right now, we would have like 4 pips drawdown, 8 pips would be stop loss. And this one will probably go 11 pips up, but it's just not my setup. I don't trade this usually. So like the 40% they go to take profit, but the rest of the 60% they do this, you know. And I don't like this. I want 80% win chance. So yeah. 30 more minutes, guys. Then if you don't find a trade, we will close for the day. We will stop wasting our time. Not really, but this one looks nice. And also, Sanya, the problem with those kind of villas is that they are very far, somewhere, you know. Like the store is like 20 kilometers away, but sometimes that's okay, but sometimes it's a little annoying. So Velo say I did 2 times last 2019. So you moved like 2 times in 2019. Nice. I mean, I hope it was for your own reason, not because you had to. Build a house. Nice. You built 2 houses in 9. Nice. Very good. Let's see if this one would work out. Yeah. Yep, flying here. Flying here. 5 pips. Yeah, okay. So this would be take profit. This would be our entry. This would be our take profit. Maybe we hit, maybe not. Sometimes, most of the time it doesn't hit. So that's why we didn't take it. Because the most of the times we would lose. Sometimes you win. There we go. You see, it struggles. It struggles. Doesn't want to go up. Now I'm learning for trading. I have time for them. Yeah. It takes time to make time. So I get you. Sonia, you said you're in buys from Gearbox or sell? I didn't saw that. Sell. So it's not going in your way right now, huh? GBP, GPY almost hit our take profit. Would hit our take profit. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, where you're selling from? Don't say me this. Yeah, take profit. We would have this take profit. So this would be our take profit. But it's not. Because those stuff don't usually work. That's okay. That's okay. Well, especially in my case, it still didn't hit on my anti-4, it didn't hit yet, so yeah. Ooh. I cannot. Okay, 91, 300. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Sanja, spavaš li u večer, a? Imaš nekog dečka da zagrli? Ovo boli. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Fu. Sanja, jesi ti dobro? Treba ti nešto, kafa? Ovo boli još mene. Tri mjeseca. Boli bome. Spavaš dobro ili koliko je ti ovaj procentualni drawdown? Znam da je puno pipa, ali bio si 1000 pipa. Znači on ti je šta imaš, 500 pipa stop lossa, znači 2 pozicije ti je još zapravo ovdje, 1, 2, micala sam, nema, ja Sanje, nikad ne mica stop loss, nikad. Jo Bože. Neki 10%, ok, onda dobro, ono sad još diše, jel? Za sada, da. Znaš šta je problem? Problem je, jel ovaj signal ili, kako kažem, simbol, ovaj simbol znači ovo. Zato sad, znaš, ovo ti je bikova zastava. I ona kad krene dol i kad ovo prebije gore, ono leti gore. Zato ti kažem. Zato može ovo biti problem za tebe. Krasno. Okay, so for everyone. So Sanja said that she is with gearbox in position from here, selling. So she's selling, so she's in drawdown. She moved her stop loss. She has like 10% here, so meaning that here you have maybe like 16%, something like that. And then I said, don't move stop losses, of course, but the next thing I said, this is like the bull's flag. Okay, so when you have a huge move up, okay, you can have a bull flag. And usually it happens this. Yeah. Ako ova ne zdrži, znači da jedna daily zaključe ovaki, onda može. Ako ne, ujebi si. So, for her to meet her, let's say, relief, daily must close below here, so we can have nice correction of this move. Ajoj. Jel si sad išta profitirala sad na goldu, a? Jesi zatvorila ovo 4 eura? Ma nemoj jebat sad. Kako nisi? Jesi u minusi? Aj, Sanjo, znači vidiš sad, a? 99% psihologije. Aj, Bože. Da, znam da otvaraš 0.1, ali išta je jedan lot ili 2 lota treba da zatvoriš. Sad imaš 5 euro minusa ili imaš 4 euro plusa. Ajde, daj. Ak ti, kažem sad ti, ako se ova svečka zatvori niže od one, znači, ako se ova svečka zatvori u aki, ti zatvoraj, može? Zapiraj, zatvaraj poziciju. Ok? Ništa u donosu na ovih minus 1000 eura od kad je ponc, na ovih. Da, znam ja da nije ništa, ali pare su pare, znači 4 eura je 4 eura, jel? Ajoj, Sanjo moja Sanja. Luka, did you short it? Ovo je bio dobar. Totale, tukaj. Ne, nisi, aha, ok. Dobar je. Taj bi dobar, tega bi našao. Dobro. So this would be our entry also. So if we would had like normal session, we would be selling this. Okay. Možda i manji stop loss, ali big. Sad ćemo na hitro. This is like the fast look, so that's why I look at the gold, because I trade it a lot. I know how it moves. Maybe we missed here take profit 11 pips, but it happens. But I don't think that we missed that, because stuffs like this, we will see. Sanja, kažeš, kad je fond spao, dođeš na Pantera. Vidiš, MT4, ja mislim, kažem, Panter možda nije neki koji radi svaki mjesec 10%, ali nije ni neko koji gubi 10% svaki dan. Znaš. Ok, 4 hour closed. I ovdje. And here on gold 4 hour closed and new one opened. So maybe the Sanja, can get saved from gold also. So this one would be nice, refreshing, if you could bank 10 pips. I Sanja, šta kažeš onda na Pantera? Je dobar ili nije dobar? Ili je problem što su ti, kako kažete vi Hrvati, znači rekli da budeš imala 10% mjesečno svaki mjesec i neki mali drawdown? Naravno da je bolje od Gearboxa. Zato sam ga i uradio. Zato sam ga sprogramirao da bude bolje od Gearboxa. Da može ljudi spati. Ok, sada čakamo mi. Ok, so now we are waiting for our Belgian news. So we see what will happen. Hoćeš vidjeti, Sanja. Ja samo znam da svi koji su došli na Pantera bili su sa nami 1 od 2 mjeseca, nisu nikad išli strane. Ja mislim da ovo puno kaže o produktu. I sa mano ćeš moći tradati. Ove tradove. Znaš, ovaj MMT je isto skalper. Ne znam kako radi, ne znam, ne mogu sad ništa reći, ali znamo isto skalper. Kod skalpera imaš problem, je nikakva strategija ne bez price actiona, znači to ono mi gledamo, ne živi dugo. Ali kod Pantera, mi smo sad ove strategije, ovakve stvari da rade poslije 10 godina i sad svaku godinu ili svaki 3-4 mjeseca mi uradimo još jednog Pantera, Panter verzija 2, 3, 4, koji ima još bolje strategije. Znaš. Možda je to bolje, ali do sad nama funkcionira, jer market se obraća. Znači, nije uvijek isti. Kad se to sve premi, vidiš, zatvora je. Sanja sad zatvora je ovaj gold. Jer ovaj gold može paći. Sve to može iti. Znači, zatvora je ovaj gold, prosim te. Molim te, zatvora je ovaj gold. Marčana. Panter je više za trading market. Kako to misliš? Kako se ti to čini? Panter je više za trading market. Za trend, da. Ovo je najbolje zaradi kad imaš puno trendova. Ili, znači uzimo ne swing. Swing je trend. I šta? Znači swing, mi kažemo swingu, ako bi mi bili swing tradovi, mi bi iskali ovaki. Mi bi iskali ovaj entry ovdje i bi ga izdržavali puno. Znači, ne znam, 50 dana. Jel? To je swing tradovi. Trend tradovi, pa znači, to su swing tradovi, imaš ovaj su dugi trade. Onda imaš trend tradom. Znači, da ideš sa trendom. Znači imaš trend i reversal. Ok, sad mi to možemo ovdje gledati, ovaj forex, ovaj par ide gore. Jel? Znači ovaj da ide sa trendom, on bude samo buy iskao, samo buy, zato samo mora ići sa trendom. Nego šta se znači staje reversal, on će ovdje na vrh ih iskat sele. Znači da ide kontra trendova. Jel? Ok, so to je to. Swing su samo dugi tradovi, ništa drugo. Tako da. So I just explained to Sanja that the difference between swing and trade. So the swing trades are the trades so like this move, or if we would hold this whole move, this is like swing trading. But trend trading means that we go with the trend. So if we see, like I trained with the trend, yeah? The trend today we have daily, this is daily. Daily is bullish. So until daily is bullish, I'm only looking for buys, okay? And 4 hour now is bearish, but before that was bullish. So that's why I was only looking for buys. So I want to go with the trend. You have a reversal strategy, meaning that I could be like, yeah, I'm expecting that because the price could not push above this, it will come back and I will sell this. So this would be reverse trading. See? Evo Sanja, molim da si zatvorila ovdje. Tako da ja. This is it, yes. So that's the difference. And punter always trade with trend. So well as you trading gold and some GPY and all. Gold. Yes, I'm trading gold and these two. And sometimes I take other trades, other pairs, but only for small losses. I mean, for small trades. So normally mostly I'm trade only these two, and sometimes I trade these two. So yeah, we will wait. Now we're waiting for this 15 minutes to close. If this 15 minutes closes bearish, so if this 15 minutes closes bearish, like it's now, we will stop with trading. If it closes bullish, we will continue because there is still a chance. If not, if not. Well said, good strategy. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if it's good, if not, but it produces results. So that's the only thing that's important for me right now because I want money and I get money with this strategy. So yeah, that's what's important for me. It doesn't need to be good, doesn't have to have nice trades. I just want money, you know. Get the money and I'm good. Okay, 5 more minutes. If it closes bearish like this, we will stop the trading for today. We will come back tomorrow, fresh and clean, and make some good trades. So today, potentially, we had this trade, but this trade usually doesn't work out. So we let it go. But maybe next time we will take it or we will have better entry. So yeah. Okay. So today we would have 10 pips. Maybe this is like maybe, I don't know, probably not. But yeah. I mean, if I would turn back time, I don't think I would take it. So. "99% psychology, but I hate black backside." You mean the side, the background? Velo, you mean the background? You don't like the background? Yes, I mean, I get used to it because sometimes I'm training at night or doing back test at night, so for my eyes is better. So that's why I'm doing this. But yeah, sadly today no trades. It happens, even for the best of us. Yeah. Sanya, if you want, you can type me on Telegram if you need some. Znači, ako trebaš neki pomoć za gearboxa ili nešto, možeš i pitat. Može u chatu i može direktno. Ne znam kako imaš ti ovaki. Dobro. Okay. Guys, we will finish here. No problem, Sanya, no problem. Guys, we'll finish here. Thank you everyone for watching and joining me or asking questions. Like I said, in 3 more weeks, we will get more trades like this. But for now, we will stick with basic ones. So for some of you can master the basic, and for others, they cannot make any stupid mistakes. So yeah, thank you very much for your time. Have a great day and see you tomorrow.
There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading Forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.